This product is our indoor P3.91 LED module. Its module size is 250 by 250 millimeters. Yeah. The pixel pitch between two pixels is 3.91 millimeters. And the resolution for this LED panel is 64 by 64. Its brightness can be up to 1200 nits, so it can make sure the high visibility for indoor environment use. Yeah. P3.91 is a popular model for the rental staging events, and they are also used for some indoor events backdrops and for some general advertising indoor areas. And it also has a high refresh rates up to 7680 Hz. That can make your video more smooth and bring better viewing effects. Yeah, if you have any interest in these products, welcome to contact us on our website or just an email. Yeah, thanks for watching.